Longs are setting up nice right here. As long as we get a close above this fair value gap, we could take a long off of the retest, target the highs. In right here, we've already tapped this fair value gap twice. My stop is going to be right below that inversion. I just don't think it comes back down before we head higher. 5-minute candle looks pretty strong at the moment. Looks good. If we get a close above this high, 931. Okay, so this is the first presented fair value gap. If we actually close above this, then I'll go break even. Gonna de-risk a little bit, move my stop loss up to that last swing low. Stops are break even now. Oh, this is not what I wanted to see, but stops are break even. I'm just gonna let it ride. We tap back into this 5-minute fair value gap, and I think that can support price. My stop's a little bit in profit, but I think it's about to take me out. Yeah, there it goes. If we're gonna continue the bearish move, I want to see these fair value gaps reject price lower. ES still looks a little bullish, so could be holding price. I'm long ES. I think this is the real move up now, showing some strength here. Around the same area as my last trade. 4 points, 200. Aim for the highs. It's respecting the fair value gap right now. It's leaving a nice wick so far. All right, new 5-minute candle. Left like a hammer or bullish doji. I don't really know the names. Looks good. 5-minute looks good. Gonna reduce my risk a little right here. Just shouldn't trade underneath that inversion anymore. Above this high, I'm going break even. I'm just gonna go break even now. My stop to this area. Shouldn't trade lower before higher. Here we go. Last high broken through. And Q needs some strength right here. Approaching these SMT highs. See what happens. This FVG up here should support price. We should just tap into it once and go. We're just so close. This is looking nice. Just a tap into 0.5 away. There we go. Nice momentum. Just move my stop up. We should hit there in the next 1 or 2 candles. It's working. Move my stop up a little bit more. Come on, 1 point. Here we go. There we go. TP. Why is it not out yet? Why is it out on this and not? Okay. I'm so dumb. I had the levels marked wrong on well charts, so I got out a point higher, but hey, extra 50 bucks. And there is previous day high. So here's just some reasoning on why I even took the trade in the first place, why I had a long bias. So yesterday, we took these highs on ES, while NQ took all-time highs. ES obviously has a bit of a way to go, over 15 points left. Yeah, I mean, there's just room to the upside. At the 6 p.m. futures market open, we made a high, and it stayed there until 7 a.m. on the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, we take the high. ES, we fail to take the high. This wick right here is the 930 open. We don't take the high again, while NQ takes the high again, which forms SMT divergence. Now, could I have taken shorts on NQ? Yes, there was a setup around this area. Why didn't I? I was taking a dump. Around this time, me and Nasdaq were doing the same exact thing. Anyways, we had these equal lows on ES that I was paying attention to, maybe for some movement like this. Boom, take it. And then we finally break through this level. This is the level I was watching the most. Previous day high could have stayed because I also prepared for something like this and then finally go lower. But yeah, ES takes a low while NQ just dives down into this 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap that we did trade into on ES already. So there is that. And honestly, after this moment, once I seen this, we flipped this fair value gap right here, traded into this one twice. This is where I caught my first long. I was bullish. Like, I just could only be bullish. We had so much unfinished business up here. These highs right here, previous day high, all times highs. That is the reason why my bias was long. Yes, we could have gone lower. I actually was prepared for it to inch away from these London lows and then take a long, but it just looks so strong right here, and I was just willing to take the risk. One thing led to another. 5 minute fair value gap right there. Got into it right there, and we ended up taking previous day high. Not only previous day high, but 3 hours later, we ended up taking all-time highs. That's all for today's video. It's been a few months, but I have been trading and I have been taking some profit home. I was making some videos on the side for some other traders and companies, which hopefully will all come out soon. But don't forget, Apex is doing 80% off until July 25th. Use code REVENGE at checkout. The links are in the description below. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment if you took a trade today or enjoyed the little review I did. And last but not least, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.